Hi, welcome to Tasty Tiger. I'm Chef Aaliyah.
I'm Chef Ella.
I'm Chef Morgan.
Today we are making Bananas Foster.
The ingredients needed to make Bananas Foster are 2 bananas, 4 tablespoons of butter, a splash of half and half, a fourth a cup of peanuts, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half tablespoon of lemon juice, and a few leaves of mint.
Okay, so I'm going to start by turning the burner on medium heat. Then I'm going to start by melting the butter.
While she is doing that, I'm going to cut our bananas.
Could have cut this in smaller pieces so it would go faster, but it's okay.
Here's the banana.
Bananas Foster was originated in New Orleans, and it was named after Richard Foster.
Now Leah's just cutting our bananas into thin strips, which are gonna cook easier when we put them with our syrup.
Okay. So you want to wait till the butter's bubbling before you add the brown sugar and cinnamon, otherwise it won't combine properly, so it's just about melted. I'm going to add in the brown sugar. And then whisk that. Then I'm going to add in the cinnamon.
And then in most other Bananas Foster recipes, also rum would be added to the syrup. We aren't gonna be doing that today, but that's a common thing that happens. Let me put the lemon juice.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just- Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to combine our bananas and our lemon juice. The reason that we're adding lemon juice to our bananas is to prevent them from browning when they're cooking. So we're going to put them in a bowl here.
Then I'm going to add some half and half, just a splash, sort of thin it out a little bit. Okay. Then I'll give this to Aaliyah so she can add the bananas.
Alright, and while that's cooking up, I'm going to chiffonade our mint.
Then I'm going to add the peanuts too, just to give some color to them. And then we're using peanuts, but you can also use pecans or really anything you want.
Alright, to chiffonade our mint, I'm going to first start off by just stacking our leaves on top of each other. And then once you've got that, you're going to just roll the leaves. And then we're just going to cut thin slices. Perfect. Got our chiffonade mint.
Then looks like it's about ready to plate, so I'm gonna scoop this into here. We're putting our caramel down first, but you can put it down second, or we're gonna put the ice cream on top of it. Maybe. Okay.
All right, perfect. Then we're gonna add some mint to there. And that is all there is to it.
Thank you for watching Tasty Tiger. Come back next time.